Automotive EDI explained. Automotive EDI drives modern supply chain efficiency. It automates vital data exchange between industry partners. Manufacturers, suppliers, and logistics firms connect seamlessly. EDI replaced error-prone manual processes decades ago. This is crucial for just-in-time manufacturing models. Key EDI standards include EDIFACT, ANSI X12, Global regulations and outdated tech create challenges. Supplier onboarding complexity slows digital transformation progress. Integrating EDI with ERP systems requires careful planning. Cloud-native platforms like SEEBURGER BIS unify integration. BIS Platform supports all automotive EDI standards. Supplier connectivity tools streamline onboarding and collaboration. Real-time data bolsters transparency and decision-making agility. Unified EDI solutions foster resilience and competitive advantage. Contact us now, SEEBURGER.com.